guys, we're gonna do an unboxing video of my shoes. They are, let me flip to the page of what they're called. Let's open these bad boys up. The Nike SB Air Zoom Tray AD. Right there, baby, right there. Okay, let's open these things up. Andy, shut up. Oh man, this looks so radical.
Having a hard time opening it.
I don't want to get where the label is, just in case I have to send them back.
There's another one in there.
Of course, it comes in this nice blue Nike box. Of course, you know, Nike's so badass. Okay, got a sweet catalog. What is it?
Slim Jim.
Give me a Slim Jim. I'm gonna split it.
Unproactively.
Yeah, I want to smack that. Ooh, look. Oh, nice, man. Nice.
Some basketball shoes.
Sweet, dude. Okay, it's got the nice texturability right here for the flips. And the kicks for the grip.
Now you can go skate with DJ.
Oh, it's got the nice nylon. Whatever that is. Look at these bad boys. Look at that. Look at those lace locks. Or no, it's not lace locks. That's Kevlar. Look at that. If I get shot in the foot, I'll survive. Okay, well, this has been an unboxing video of these bad boys right here, so see you next time.